Hello again, Flummies! I'm here doing a super quick tutorial on arm tracers, and this is what they look like. Super easy, but they look really cool. So we're gonna start with our palms facing each other, but still spaced apart. Make sure you keep that space. So we're gonna start with the fan that's in the back. So in this case, it's the purple fan. And we're gonna let it drop on our fingers. You see how I'm not really holding it? It's just gonna hang on our fingers while we move it along our arm. And then once it reaches our shoulder, we're gonna grab it and then carry it in front of the pink fan. So now the purple fan is in front and the pink is in back. So the pink fan is going to get the same treatment. We're going to drop it right on our fingers. Again, I'm not holding it. And then I'm going to guide that fan along my arm. And same thing, once it reaches my shoulder, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to carry that back to the front. And we're going to land in our starting position. And just a quick side note here, there are some tutorials that will have you start with your arms already crossed. This is not wrong. It's still just, it's the same principle either way. It's just a different starting point. One mistake I see a lot of people make is not leaving enough space between the fan and their body. Now, I understand when you're seeing this trick performed, the fan does look like it's actually touching you. However, you do want to make sure you're leaving enough space so that you're not actually touching yourself with the fan. This is incredibly important if you're someone who wants to spin fire. And loosen your freaking grip, okay? Everyone always wants to hang on to their fans because they're worried it's going to go somewhere. It's not going to go anywhere. Make sure that when you drop it on your fingers, you're actually dropping it on your fingers, okay? Okay, now I'm running out of time. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Have a wonderful flow journey.